Put these back in after. All right. Whew. All right, we got 19 sealed on the bottom, sealed on the top. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got here. Somebody's hollering for the Adam Thielen, Justin Jefferson, some Dolphins. Let's see. Let's see. All right, we got a mini helmet in here. One of those Lunar Eclipse mini helmets. Let me get this bad boy open here. Lunar Eclipse Mini. It is JSA certified. JSA right down the side. And it's going to the Broncos. The Denver Broncos on this Lunar Eclipse Mini. One of those new Lunar Eclipses on the mini helmet. Who has the Broncos? Right there in the random team. John McClellan. That might be John's first hit. John been playing hard. John got a Broncos helmet coming to him. A Broncos mini. JSA cards right there inside for you, John. And it is Willis McGahee. Willis McGahee. Used to be a running back in the day for the